Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are reviewing some whiskey glasses. You can also use it for some fine spirits and some other stuff as well. Oh, check that out. You can put a nice amount of whiskey or wine or any other drink in here. So they got nice reflective style and look to them. Wow. They're nice and deep. Here's another style that comes with it. Check it out. So far the quality is really nice. So if you've been looking for new whiskey glasses, wine glasses, any other good drink that you'd like to put in, or I should say you get two designs, but you get three of them. So there you guys go. Nice whiskey glasses that are durable. Nice and solid, and they look great as well. So they are very deep. You can definitely put a lot of fluids inside.